In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSP on iPad or phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to play the strongest battlegrounds on a smartphone or a tablet like an iPad, you will be able to without any issues. As you can see, everything is going to be adjusted to fit the mobile layout. So as soon as you join the strongest battlegrounds on any smartphone, either Android or iOS, everything will be adjusted for you. So at the right side of the screen, you will have the main actions. So you will be able to block. So you can tap on this button here and you can see my character takes the defensive stance. I can press this button to do an attack, this one to dash, and this button to jump. So there's nothing missing from the experience. You will still be able to play and enjoy it without any issues. And you can use your abilities by tapping the buttons here at the bottom. You can change characters by tapping on this icon, scrolling through the list, and everything should work flawlessly. All of the options are going to be here. If you have Private Servers Plus, you will be able to load all of the options, use the skill builder, build mode, you can change emotes. And essentially, it is the exact same experience, but adapted for mobile. Of course, it might be a little bit laggier compared to running on PC, but it is still going to be enjoyable. And this will work for any mobile device, Android or iOS. If it doesn't work for you, make sure that the Roblox app is up to date. And as long as you join the experience directly from your phone, everything will be set up for you. You might be matched up against players on PC, so keep that in mind. Besides that fact, it is going to be the same balanced game that you can enjoy on any other platforms. It also has support for consoles, so if you have an Xbox or PlayStation and you would like to try, you can also join the experience to play using a controller. By default, you will be using touch controls, but you can connect an external controller or try a keyboard and mouse. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos related to Roblox or any other games. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.